How to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can regain access to your Roblox account on iOS or Android devices, even if you can't access the registered email or phone number. So let's get started. First of all, open Safari, Google or Chrome and use the search engine you have on your device. Go to the search bar and search for Roblox support. And then you gotta click on the first one that pops up. Make sure that the website is original, that is www.roblox.com. Once you do click on Roblox support, you'll be taken over to this interface. So you're gonna simply select the date of birth, the month, the date, and the year. So once you do select them, you're gonna head over, click on continue, and then you're gonna type in your username, your first name, your email address, confirm email address. That means you have to type down your email address twice. And then you're going to select what device are you having the problem on. For example, if you're having a problem on iPhone, you're going to click on iPhone. Then you're going to type in the type of help category. You're going to click on help category type. And here, let's say you're going to click on account hacked or account login. And then you're going to select a subcategory. Here, you're going to click on lost access to my two-step verification method. And then you're going to paste in this issue. Hey, I don't have access to my email anymore, so I lost access to my Roblox account as well. Can you help me get back to my account? And thank you. Then you're going to head over, click on continue, and then Roblox will write you an email and will give you a confirmation email shortly. So that's basically how you can recover Roblox account without email or phone number. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.